Are you looking for more than just a job? How about a career in a fast-paced, technologically advanced, forward-looking industry? Then look into the die casting industry. It's a solid opportunity to develop highly paid skills. Thousands of secure, well-paid career positions in the die casting industry are going unfilled as students pursue jobs in different business sectors that often pay less. Look into the die casting industry and discover the industry is fundamental to our economy and growing. Job security in the industry is better than ever. Compensation packages are excellent. Opportunities exist to grow and keep pace with new technologies. What is die casting? In die casting, liquid metal is injected into precision-made steel molds at high temperatures and pressures. The resultant shape is removed from the mold, and after it cools, the cycle is repeated. Many die-cast machines are highly automated and include computer-assisted injection cycles and casting extraction. Automatic equipment often performs the jobs of metal ladling and casting removal. What is made by die casting? Die castings form a part of everything we do. They make up our automobiles, our computers, and almost everything else we use in our daily lives. What types of jobs does the die casting industry offer? Die casting presents a wide range of job opportunities. These jobs include machine operator, tool and die maker, die setter, maintenance personnel, metal melting and transfer operator, and supervisor. Let's visit with individuals who have entered the field of die casting in these areas. Die-cast machine operators run hands-on the die-casting machines, trim presses, and a variety of other equipment to produce quality castings. Most die-casting employers continue to move to team environments where machine operators take greater responsibility for their work and are involved with problem solving. This makes their jobs more exciting and challenging than ever before. These positions generally require good basic math skills, problem-solving skills, and the ability to work and communicate with others in teams.
Because you're able to solve problems faster with middle management and with your coworkers. They come across things that you haven't seen before, and they can help you out and vice versa.
If there's a problem with the machine or something of that nature, it's a challenge to figure out what's wrong with it. It may take a half an hour or an hour to find it. Once you find it, the machine is running the way it should nonstop. It makes me feel pretty good, pretty decent.
Tool and die makers are the skilled operators of machine tools who create and maintain the tooling, fixtures, and equipment which are an important part of the die casting industry. While these journeyman positions have existed since the Industrial Revolution, the machine tools and work practices have evolved with space-age technology. From computerized machine tools to exotic materials, today's tool and die makers take advanced theories and put them into use every day. These positions generally require above-average math skills, problem-solving skills, and the completion of an apprenticeship program.
I've known people that have swept floors, and first chance they got when there was an opening in an apprenticeship, they were accepted in, and the companies do sponsor you. They pay your way to go to school.
And I think it's an excellent field to get into. There's always a demand for die repair personnel, so the prospects, I think, look real good.
Die setters gain special skills in preparing casting dies for operation, which can cost anywhere from tens of thousands to over $1 million. They usually have several years of experience in the operation of die casting machines and dies. The expertise of these employees ensures that the operation progresses smoothly following startup of the machine and die. Die setters require the special skills of communications, problem solving, and the ability to work with others.
Learning my job, I started off as a finishing tech and advanced up to machine operator, and then I got the job as a setup technician, which I was trained as I went along. I learned as an operator.
Die setters can contribute to improving the die casting process. Maintenance personnel learn special technical skills for keeping the plant equipment operating. Jobs in die casting operations require knowledge of hydraulics, electrical and electronic circuits, welding, pipe fitting, and mobile equipment mechanics. Maintenance personnel usually complete an apprenticeship program and are considered journeymen in their specialty. Often, these workers will have competence in more than one of the areas mentioned. These positions also require above-average math skills and problem-solving skills.
I could go from here and possibly work any other die-cast company there is with the experience I have.
The molten metal used by the die casting plant is the key raw material. It must be prepared in the right composition, maintained at the proper temperature, and delivered to the die casting machines on time. Metal melting and transfer operators perform this key part of the die casting process. Since these employees supply raw materials to the rest of the plant, they must have good communication skills, the ability to learn the technical requirements of the job, and the discipline to work safely in the environment of molten metal.
It's quite dangerous, but you have to be careful. It's just, wearing your equipment. You got to wear your equipment, your safety equipment. And as long as you do that, you're pretty well protected.
I had never worked in a launder system before. That was an awesome sight. I said, oh, you don't have to hand pig the metal off and bull ladles and everything. It just runs through the plant, branches off into the different dies.
All areas of a die casting operation require supervision. A supervisor must take responsibility for seeing that the operation is successful and that the production requirements of his or her area are achieved in a safe and timely manner. A supervisor is normally required to have either extensive experience in die casting or have an advanced education. Many times these positions bring increasing levels of responsibility, leading to department head or even plant manager.
Most of the supervisors that have been hired here have come off the floor. I started out as a quality technician. I went to be a machine operator. There was a manufacturing supervisor position open. I took that job, and then from there it led to quality supervisor.
The pay is unbelievable. It's real nice. The pay is real good. I mean, if somebody wanted to come in here and do this, it's great. I love what I'm doing.
Young people interested in a career in die casting can apply for scholarships. NADCA awards the David Lane Scholarship annually, and other scholarships are available from the Foundry Educational Foundation. One of the first winners of an FEF scholarship, Mr. Ray Witt, grew his company into one of the largest casting operations in the world and sold it for over $600 million in 1999. So why should you choose a die casting career? First, you can start earning now. In many cases, apprenticeships and internships allow you to begin earning money while you're still in high school, or immediately upon graduation. This can put you far ahead along the path of gaining manufacturing experience, which ultimately leads to higher earnings. Second, only about 40% of those who start college complete their degree within 5 years. By choosing a career in die casting, you'll be on your way to a solid career with opportunities to advance to engineering or even management. Third, your skills move with you. The skills you learn in a die casting career go with you wherever you choose to live. Skill standards have been established and are accepted throughout the nation. Fourth, today's die casting companies offer excellent compensation packages, which include a variety of employee benefits such as health care, pension plans, profit sharing, and paid vacations. These benefits, coupled with your initial earning potential, can put your pay level far ahead of careers in other business sectors. You can reach the goals you have for yourself and your family with a career in die casting. You can have a challenging job and the opportunity to continue learning while earning competitive pay with good benefits. For information on how to pursue a career in the die casting industry, or if you are interested in one of these positions, contact the North American Die Casting Association. You can visit the NADCA Interactive website at www.diecasting.org to get your name out as someone interested in working in the industry. Do it today. The die casting industry is an important part of our economy. In North America, there are 550 die casting plants with sales of $8 billion. These plants employ over 75,000 people directly and about 15,000 in supplier companies. These people perform many different jobs, including the ones we discussed earlier. The pay range for the industry is from $25,000 to $35,000 for entry-level jobs, from $40,000 to over $60,000 for workers with experience, and from $45,000 to over $100,000 per year for technical personnel and engineers. Many of the companies in the die casting industry even provide tuition assistance to help you improve your education and skills and to achieve higher paying positions. The die casting industry is really a combination of many different processes. Let's take a few minutes to look at the different processes that are used and the many types of products that are produced. Fast fill die casting is the most common type of die casting. This includes cold chamber and hot chamber processes. Cold chamber die casting is used for aluminum and magnesium parts. Hot chamber die casting is used for magnesium and zinc parts. Squeeze casting comprises a growing portion of the die casting industry. This process is used to produce lightweight parts that were previously made in heavy iron and steel alloys. So you see, the die casting industry is a vital part of our everyday lives, but most of us don't even know it's going on. Hopefully, you have been introduced to the die casting industry and you have seen opportunities that may be just what you are looking for. To summarize, die casting offers competitive pay for such jobs as machine operators, tool and die makers, die setters, maintenance personnel, metal melting and transfer operators, designers and technicians, engineers, and supervisors. The pay for entry-level workers is about $10 per hour, and skilled technical people can earn from $50,000 to more than $100,000 per year. If you would like to join this exciting industry, log on to the NADCO website and get started on the most exciting and rewarding journey of your life, a career in die casting. The earlier you begin, the longer you can enjoy working in this ever-changing industry. You might be just like Ray Witt and turn an entry-level job into a 50-year career. The NADCO website is the best place to search for available jobs and to let companies know of your interest. From the website, you can find out how to contact companies you might have interest in directly. Jobs are available. Just visit the NADCO website and look for the job search area at www.diecasting.org/jobs. We would be happy to have you join this exciting industry.